In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values and create measures using the sum function in Power BI. This is a handy skill to master if you're diving into data analysis and looking to enhance your reporting capabilities with Power BI. First things first, fire up Power BI Desktop and load the dataset that you want to work with. Having your data ready is crucial because it's the foundational step that sets the stage for everything we'll be doing. Once your data is loaded, you'll want to get familiar with the table view. You can find this by simply navigating to the Table Tools tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Next, let's delve into creating a new measure. In the Calculations group, which is part of the Table Tools, mouse over and click on New Measure. This action will open up the formula bar where you'll enter your data analysis expressions, or DAX formula. This is the step that injects some real magic into your Power BI report, enabling you to perform advanced calculations. Now, let's talk about the DAX formula you need to type in. In the formula bar, you'll enter total sales equals sum, open parentheses, sales in square brackets by amount, and then close the parentheses. It's important to note that sales and amount are placeholders in this instruction. You'll replace these with the actual table and column names from your dataset. This customization reflects the specifics of your data and ensures that you're summing the correct values. Once you have your expression neatly entered, hit Enter. This simple action completes your measure creation, adding an element of aggregation power to your report. With your measure, named total sales in this example, successfully created, the next logical step is to incorporate it into your report. To do this, just drag the total sales measure onto your report canvas. This is the area where all of your data visualizations will come to life. Here, you have an exciting decision to make. How do you want to visually represent this measure? You might opt for a card, which is great for highlighting single values, or a table, which can offer a more detailed view of your calculated results. Whichever visualization type you choose, it should align with your analytical needs and the story you wish to tell with your data. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to sum values and create measures in Power BI using the sum function. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively aggregate data and make your reports more insightful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with your datasets. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.